Hello there, I'm going to teach you how to stop automatic payments in Bank of America. If you're watching this on your phone or your PC, it's perfectly fine. Anyway, let's get started. I think I still don't have access to Bank of America, still have a pending application for it. So I'm going to use the visual aids for you to go through on this process. Let me just pull this one up. So how to stop automatic payments for Bank of America. Let's proceed with the tutorial right here. So first things first, of course, log into the online banking application. Select the Bill Pay Navigation tab. This should be located on the bottom middle part of your screen. Select the biller for the e-bill you wish to cancel. For example, let's call it PayPal, or rather Chuck E. Cheese the biller. Now, then select the Edit e-bill options link and click the Cancel e-bill link. That's how easy to cancel automatic payments on Bank of America. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.